So this is how you can crop videos in CapCut. Hey everyone, welcome to our guide for CapCut. Today, you will learn how to crop videos. Keep watching until the end so you don't make mistakes. Let's start by opening CapCut. Now that we're here, just simply find the video you want to crop and then tap on it. Now, scroll along until you can find Transform. Now, let's tap on Resize. Here, you can crop the video as you want. However small you want it to be or how big, it doesn't matter. Also, you can have these aspect ratios at the bottom. You can tap on 916, 16:9, and much more, which are all different in their own way. And then you can also rotate however you want. So that is how you can crop videos on CapCut. I hope this video helped. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, share, and subscribe. And let us know in the comments if the tutorial worked or if you have any questions. Thank you and goodbye.